Yes, I cast a redfish.
Doubled up. There. Got it, baby.
What is going on YouTube? I'm really excited to bring you guys this video. I actually drove down with my buddy Tom and Justin, and we got a condo down in Port Mansfield. So I'll just kind of show you guys. The condo's nothing crazy, but the cool part is that if you see back there, there's no boat on the trailer. What you say? Yeah, so I'll show you guys walking out the back porch. Yeah, so we have the boat sitting right here on our own little private dock. So we will be fishing the Laguna Madre for the next 3 days. We have this place for, what did we get it? Thursday night, Friday night, and Saturday night. And I'm just so stoked to get out. It's pretty windy right now. The forecast shows that it's gonna die. So we might get out this evening, do a little fishing in the little lagoon marina area. But hopefully it dies enough for us to send it out. So, and I'll keep you guys just on board the adventure. Good morning. I'm doing some wade fishing today. Hopefully we can get on some big monster trout. We actually did yesterday evening into the night. We just went out on a little scout mission. Didn't bring the cameras, but I'll roll on that footage now because we caught 5 or 6 monster trout.
Doubled up. Doubled up. Nice trout. Oh, both of them, dude. All right. Solid trout.
Oh, I just lost him. Get the net.
Tom just hooked up. Justin just hooked up. I've got a 23-inch trout in my hand. We're on him, dude. We're on him. Is that a big mama trout, boy? Oh my gosh. We're on him.
Hold on.
Sorry for cussing. Oh, that's another fat trout.
Yeah.
Another trout, almost immediately.
Hey, no, this is big.
All right.
This is big.
Oh, that's a good trout. Come on, get her in. Layer in. Got her, baby. Monster! That's my foot. That's the trout, dude. Monster fish. Oh, dude, that's a 24. That's a 24 trout.
So that ended up being the post-scout trip fish haul. Solid quality trout.
So we've already started off the trip with a bang, and hopefully we can just continue that into this video. Let's go fish.
All right, so we got Justin, Tommy, we all went on this trip together. I've got the boat pretty rigged up, looking pretty. And we're along this big channel, big oyster spoil beds, and a deep cut that goes directly out to the Gulf. It's an incoming tide, and so I'm just gonna sling it and hopefully nail a big mama trout. That's a good one. That's a trout. But I don't have a net or grabbers. And it feels like a good one. Oh, it's a flounder. Flat boy. Sick. It didn't even fight. Oh, well. Man, I did not bring what I needed to bring to catch this guy. Well, guys, I honestly can say I wasn't prepared for this. I don't have a stringer on me or a net or fish grabbers. So amateur weight hour here, but yeah, I'm just gonna hold this guy. Boat's right there. I'm just gonna walk back to it and just start kind of walking back out again. But solid flounder right here, man. Solid guy. All right, fish one in the boat. Pretty good sized flounder, probably about 18. So I'm really happy with that. Justin down the way just caught a really nice trout. So I can't wait to see those fish and show you guys those boogers. I'm trying to get on some big trout again, man, but it's been a little slow for me this morning. I think it's just got to get back in the groove again. I was so stoked after last night that I came in here and was just, I think, maybe working a little too fast. So we'll see. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I know. That's why I just wanted to get up here. Yup. There we go. Feels like a trout. Yep, decent trout. There we go. Right on that point. Sweet. It's a male too. Oh well, let this guy go. Pretty cool. Go on, little guy. Haha. Too cool. Too cool. First cast off the point, trout. That's what I'm talking about. There you go. Got you one. Nice, dude. There we go. Flat boy. Another flounder. These guys are too cool. How they just lay there like that. There we go. Trout. Oh, and he got off. It's okay, he's small. All right. 2 flounder, a couple trout. Not a bad day. I'd like to get on some bigger trout, but man, this little cut has just been so gorgeous. I'm hoping to snag a redfish. I caught some smaller redfish last night, like 16 to 18 inchers, but would love to get on a big old red. Monster red right in front of me. Monster red. Monster red. Monster red. There's 2 of them. Oh shit, I spooked them. Right there. Got him. Yes, I casted a redfish. Oh yeah, dude. So I casted him. That is so sick. He's a small guy, but wow, talk about fun. Sight casted redfish. How cool is that, dude? Sight casted redfish waiting on the flats. I wish I would have caught that monster that went by. That would have been sick, but I'll hunt them back down. They're here. That is so sick, dude. Yeah, so I'm gonna keep just sight casting redfish. I know that big monster went back that way, and I want to go chase that monster slot so bad. But it's all good. It's all good. Whew, that's so, man, heart pumping. Cast in front of him and I get the hook up. Yeah. Gotta love fishing clear water, you know? You can't do this back at home in Galveston. Nope. I mean, you could wade fish like this, but you're blind casting. Oh man, wild. Alright guys, so I actually caught another flounder. Put this guy on the stringer. 2 nice ones. Nothing crazy big, but slots for sure. Man, this place is just awesome. It is just amazing. It's an amazing fishery. Getting on those trout last night and then sight casting a redfish and catching flounder. I know Justin's back over this way. He's smashing flounder. Tom's over that way and he's seeing huge trout blow up in front of him. So it's just, oh man, you can't ask for more than this. Guys, see those redfish right there? Oh, bull reds. Just schooled up, chilling. There's more up there. There's more up there. Let's go get them.
Stand on your toe.
Yeah.
Where are they?
They're over here.
Dude, I knew I was.
Yeah, they're up over here. I think you got some over here too.
Where at?
That way. Hold on up. The winds picked up right after this, blowing super hard, so we went back to the dock, watched the boat show that we had go by, amazing boats going through this channel, and just called it a day and relaxed.
Look how delicious this water looks. I mean, grass growing out of the sand. We're in about 2 feet, 2.5 feet. Just bathtub.
All right, so not a bad way to catch some fish on a beautiful windless morning. It did pick up pretty severely though, and so that's why we're back at the dock. But I managed to go out and nab a decent trout and decent redfish. Let's check them out. Not bad, right? It's always a good sign whenever your trout is almost as big as your redfish. So yeah, we're gonna try and go out this evening, but the reality of it is that we don't know if the winds are gonna let us. Because you have to cross open bay to get to protected waters. And you know, in the old aluminiator, it just doesn't cut through chop very well. All right, guys. Well, that concludes the fishing journey. I wanted to fly the drone a lot more and get some shots of the harbor, the marina, and maybe, you know, like us heading out, pulling the boat. But the wind's seriously blowing 30 miles an hour, and I don't feel like losing a drone. But the fishery down here is absolutely amazing. Nothing but quality trout and just an awesome fishery. Clear bathtub water, even on super windy days. So I could only imagine when it's actually calm for a while, how good it would look. But yeah, so that's just gonna conclude it. We're gonna drive for the next 5 hours. So thank you guys for watching another episode of Kagen Fishing, and I'll catch you next time. And I'll catch you next time.